She's bringing the trailer park lifestyle to the world.
Come inside, don't be shy, cause Jolene can't wait to meet ya. She's the queen of the park. She's got gossip, news, and lots of food to feed ya. Jolene Sugarbaker. Jolene Sugarbaker is one budget-minded girl. Lots of cheap fashion is the passion at the park. The passion at the park. The passion at the park. Dropping in on neighbors is all part of Jolene's work. Jolene Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen.
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I teach you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, I am excited today. I'm going to do a great recipe in an air fryer. I've got a Magic Chef air fryer inside the Trailer Park Test Kitchen today, and a lot of people have been asking for air fryer recipes because they're just a great little product that you can have in a small kitchen or even an RV, and they fix a wide range of things, and it cuts back on the oil that you would use to deep fry something. Today we're going to be making an unusual thing in the air fryer that maybe you don't know you can fix in an air fryer, and that is bread. We're going to be making a great rosemary cheese monkey bread in this Magic Chef air fryer today. I'm so excited to show you. I'll be right back. Welcome back. I've got my air fryer here, and you want to make sure that you have a lot of space, or as much as you can, around the actual air fryer. Now, the Magic Chef has a digital display, and it actually has the actual tray here at the bottom, and this is what you really need to just throw in some tater tots or some french fries in there. Now, don't you tell anyone, but one of my favorite things to put in the air fryer is getting some of that pre-made orange chicken or maybe some egg rolls. It fixes really great in an air fryer, and they're just done in just a, wow, it's just so fast, and they taste like they've been deep fried to me. That's just my opinion, but it really does cut back on the oil that you use. You also can pick up one of these pans, and we're going to be using one of these today to make our monkey bread, and it's just one that fits actually right on inside there, and it's actually going to cook right on into the air fryer just like that. So let me get our ingredients together, and I'm so excited today because I grew some rosemary in my container garden. Look at that. We're going to be using that today. It's getting a little cold out, so I might as well use it while I have it. So let me get some things together, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Today I'm using the jumbo biscuits in a can, and you're just going to need a can of these, and this is just really simple to have on hand in your fridge and get ready. You know, these things never pop when you least expect it. It says press a spoon. You always press it. Whoa! There we go. It's party time now. Let's go ahead and get these ready here. I'm going to explain how to do it in just a moment. Welcome back. Making my rosemary cheese bread in the air fryer is really simple. And like I said, I have one of these pans that you can get for the air fryer. What I'm going to do is take some vegetable spray and spray that out so this pops out just like a jiffy here. And I've got the big flaky biscuits in the can here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in 4s each here, and I'm just going to take the knife and just make little 4s out of those biscuits, and I've got just a little piece just like that. And I've got about 3 tablespoons of melted butter here. I'm just going to dip them in the butter right here, and I'm just going to place them right in there in the baking pan. Now what I'm going to do is make a layer of these actual biscuit pieces here, and just get the one layer down there on the bottom, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now that I have my first layer there, what we're going to do is, I have about 2 tablespoons of my fresh rosemary that I grew in my container garden. What did you all grow this year? I had some great luck with the rosemary and the cilantro and the lemon balm too. I had that in my iced tea, but we're going to be using this today. And I have 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese here, and I've got some sea salt, and we're going to use about, well, if this is your malady, be careful with that, don't add too much of that, but what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of the sea salt to the top of that, just like that, and now we're going to add some of the rosemary on top of that mixture, just like that. And there we go, saving some because we're going to add another layer, and some of the cheese right up on there. There we go. And now we're going to start with the next layer, so let me finish that and check back with you in just a moment. Okay, we added our other layer there, and now we're just going to add some more rosemary and some more salt here. We're going to save the cheese because we're going to pop it out a little bit and then melt some more cheese on the top of it in the middle of the cooking here. And you know, the air fryer works really well over the summer. It didn't heat up the trailer, and it just made some great things, and especially some of the things you can pick up in the freezer section. I really enjoyed using some of those pre-packaged things. It works really well. And now I'm going to add the rosemary here on top to make it look real pretty. And now that you put it all with the bite-sized pieces, it'll pull apart here. And now we're going to get ready for the air fryer, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Welcome back. Next up, you're going to take your pan that you prepared and put it in the middle of your air fryer basket, just like that. Then you're going to load it into the air fryer, just like that. Then you're going to follow your manufacturer's directions on how to set your air fryer to 360 degrees. We're going to fry it in the air fryer for about 4 minutes. So let me go ahead and set mine here at 360 for 4 minutes. There we go. And that'll turn on, and once 4 minutes happens, it'll beep, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. What's that sound? You're almost ready for the best bread that you've probably had in a while, and what we're going to do is just pop it out. Oh wow, it's already starting to look good. I'm not going to show you yet. I'm just going to take the rest of this cheese and put it right there up on top, and I am going to pop that right on back into the air fryer. We are going to actually air fry it for another, let's do it for 2 minutes. There we go, to make that cheese all melty up on top here. There we go. I wasn't paying attention. There we go. And 2 minutes, and we're going to have that bread for you in just a moment. And there you have it, the rosemary cheese monkey bread. Look at that, it's nice and golden brown on top with that rosemary from my container garden, and the cheese all melted down in that. Wouldn't this be a surprise at a party? It took about 6 minutes in the Magic Chef air fryer with the refrigerated biscuit dough to make this, and people would be so surprised, and it smells like rosemary in here. It just is great for maybe a dinner night, and with that, it just comes right off like that with some cheese. Oh wow, this will just really make any night, and I can't wait to try it. It's got a crunch, and deep fried dough is really good, and this is really close to that, and with the air fryer it made it so crispy and crunchy, and the taste of the rosemary and the cheese, maybe with some marinara sauce on the side. This is so good, and it just was fixed in a jiffy in the Magic Chef air fryer. That is so good. I hope you get a chance to make it, and if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and visit me on my website at jolenestrailerpark.com. And of course, hit that big old subscribe button and the notification bell. I don't know where they put that. They like the hind out, but that lets you know when there's a video, and I do put them out every now and then. And I just have some more recipes, maybe with the air fryer. Leave a comment down at the bottom. What would you like to see happen in the air fryer? Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you, Magic Chef. And I'll be back soon with some more trailer park recipes and how to live the trailer park way. I'll see y'all back real soon. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big toy.